Welcome to Aldren Stuff, and today I'm gonna be unboxing Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen. It has got 32 GB of storage, it has Wi-Fi 6, it's Dolby Vision Atmos supported, and yeah, it's powered by Google. So it's a Google TV, so everything like from apps like Netflix, Prime Video, HBO Max, it supports everything, so you don't have to worry about it. And even in 4K HDRs, so there's gonna be no issues. I had the Gen 2, which was good, and some of the specs here are better, so I just wanted to test it out and yeah, tell you guys about it. So as you can see, here's the box, TV box, and yeah, let's unwrap this. There you go, nice and smooth. It's a bit lighter than I expected it to be, but yeah, it does the job. I mean, if you want, you can actually use this as a portable device if you have an external display of some sort. You can use that. Here's the power adapter, and yeah, that's the pin. We got some instruction manuals and a warranty card, I believe. Okay, let's put this aside. It comes included with one HDMI cable, and yeah, I would suggest using this because it comes included with the box and it supports 4K, and so if you have a 4K TV and the HDMI is crap, you won't have 4K, so use that cable. And this is the remote. It feels a bit plasticky and but it does the job. It's kind of like the Gen 2 remote, so I don't think anything's different. And trust me, these are pretty durable. It's not bad plastic, it's good plastic, I believe. So yeah, that's it, and let's get on the TV. So we are on the TV right now, and this is the menu page, For You page, movies, shows, and then we got apps too. I got over here YouTube, Streamio, Artemis, and send files to TV, which is actually pretty important if you want to install APKs and whatnot from your phone. I got a game, I'll test it out later. You got Netflix over here, and yes, you can even use GeForce Now if you want to stream games. This is the CPU info. I don't know if you want to know about this. We also got the GPU info over here, and as I said before, it's got 2 GB of RAM, which does the work. Trust me, it does. You don't need more RAM than this. And yeah, it's got 32 GB. I don't know why they're saying there's one internal and external. Trust me, there's only one internal, which is of 32 GB storage, but it's showing 25, so the others used up for the system, I guess. It comes with Android 14, so that's a plus point. It's pretty much pretty recent. I don't know when Android 14 came. Yeah, that's about it. I got this app. I don't know if you can see this clearly. It's called Button Mapper, and I used it to map some of the buttons. Like for Netflix, I'm using Streamio, and yeah, you can map like each button for some other thing if you want. And also, I wanted to show you something that, see, when you click Netflix, it opens up Streamio and YouTube and other stuff. Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys is if you go to the settings, there you go, and then you go to system, not accessibility. Well, yeah, when you go to the system, you can see your about section. After you go there, you go to Android TV OS build, click it a few times, and you go into developer mode. And after going there, you'll see that in the system, there you go, developer options. Now go down, and you will find this. Turn this on, because when I first booted this up, it was lagging, the TV box, and I didn't know what was wrong, so I set this to don't keep activities and no background processes, and then just do a quick restart, and then just turn it back on. It wouldn't matter now, and you'll see that the TV now responds like perfectly nicely and smoothly. And yeah, I guess that will help you guys if you're struggling with this, and if you're having issues with anything, just put a comment and I'll try my best to respond. Oh, that's me. Okay, now let's try this game. I just wanted to show you that it doesn't lag. And sorry about my TV, it's pretty old. It's a LCD screen, so that's why it's so much pixelated, and it's old. That's why it's pixelated in LCD, because of the backlight. That's why it's a bit blurry. Haha. I'm just gonna be playing one level. Let's go. Ah, shoot. Okay. Okay, one last try. Let's go, first try, baby. Oh shoot. I think I'm gonna die. Oh damn, I did it. Okay, let's see this one too, how it goes. Oh shit, not this one. Oh, come on. Okay, yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment, and if somebody's buying it, share it with them.